Hi, I'm Justin, and today I am going to be working on building a couple of air filters for my garage. I haven't had an air filtration system in here. I can definitely tell when I'm working. Everything's covered in dust, so I'm just hoping this cleans up the air and makes it a little cleaner in here. So I just got these little box fans from Walmart, and I'm going to just put some quick attachments on them for these 20 by 20 filters. I'm sure you've seen tons of videos like this. It's something I needed, so I thought I'd show you. Quick, simple, and dirty. Alright, so my plan with these, I just want something quick I could throw on there and easily change out, but I guess I could use duct tape, but that doesn't seem good to me. So I'm just going to use these brackets. I got them a long time ago. I can't remember for what, but I'm thinking I could just screw them on here, and then I can slide the filters in and out. So I'll have one on top, one on bottom. I do have to make a couple modifications. I think I'll just slice this off, and then, yeah, screw it in. Or maybe I won't even slice it off. I think I'll just bend it out. It looks like the fan should have plenty of room to accept the little extra. So let's get to it. Now it's bent, fits kind of nicely on this little lip. It'll be pretty open, so it'll be able to slide in pretty easy. But I'll make the top one kind of tight to hold it in place. And I got some self-tapping screws, and I'll just pop those in there. Alright, I got it all hung up, and it looks a little janky, but that's alright. It works just fine. I just have it hung up on a screw nailed into my storage up top. Holds the filter just fine. This one's pretty tight up top, holding it in place. And yeah, it works. Great. Well, we'll see how good it works. But I do live in Arizona, so this will be nice during the summers too, to kind of get the air moving in here and cool me down a little bit, I hope. Well, I'm assuming it works. It's got the filter on the back. I could probably just keep it on the low setting like it is now. It's not too loud, and hopefully it cleans the air a bit. I'm going to do a second one on the other side of the garage. Two may be a little overkill for my 2-car garage, but I'm also using them as like fans and air conditioning in here during the hot summers, because it is like 110 degrees right now. So I know this was quick and dirty, but I hope you enjoyed it. It's something I needed for my shop. I've got a few builds on the way, so those will be coming out soon. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy.